These boxes may look like standard storage containers, but these stackable, shippable units can travel to combat zones anywhere on Earth. And in 30 minutes, they can unfold into a fully equipped military facility. They can be customized into command posts or science labs, hospitals or barracks. These mobile military shelters can create a working army base in the middle of nowhere in a matter of hours. Each unit breaks down into two parts: a rugged metal container and high-tech tenting that can expand into 27 different workspaces and living areas. The mobile military shelter starts out looking like a standard steel shipping container, but it's about to be equipped with everything you need to make it practical and comfortable, starting with insulation. Every surface is coated with a heavy-duty foam insulation. It's mixed with a chemical called cyanide, so it hardens quickly. Cyanide is highly toxic, so the area is restricted to workers wearing safety masks. Once the insulation is complete, each of the 2,600 parts, including locks, frames, and handles, are painted military green. This reduces the unit's infrared signature, making it tougher to detect. The doors are insulated with rubber weather stripping to protect against extreme conditions. Whether it's 50 above or 50 below, the weather outside stays outside. Next, the container is fitted with wiring to power up everything from radars to microwave ovens. The unit's generator can run enough air conditioning to cool a 3-bedroom house. A fresh air intake keeps the atmosphere inside comfortable. One tank of diesel can put out enough power to charge 2,600 smartphones. Once the unit is assembled and wired, it's ready for testing. It has to be able to weather any storm, so it's put through a high-pressure hose down on all the joints and seals. If it can't handle the outside, they don't start work with the inside. When the Canadian Department of Defense needed to keep warm in the Arctic, a Hercules transport plane airdropped instant shelter onto the sea ice, 80 kilometers north of the most northern landmass on Earth. Once it's passed the water test, the unit is ready for tenting. The exterior metal walls drop down to form the expanded floor, and the built-in tenting material forms the walls. A wafer of high-tech bubble wrap is sandwiched between 2 layers of PVC. This insulates the tenting against Arctic chill and desert heat. The tenting is unrolled and support rods are installed. The expanded unit builds out to 37 square meters of modular floor space. It can be outfitted to any one of 27 different units, including satellite imaging center with radar system tracking device, vehicle repair depot equipped with hydraulic lifts, or a field hospital complete with exam tables and medical equipment. To make the unit transport ready, furniture and gear are locked snugly into the middle of the container. The finished container is secured to the back of a military vehicle and test-driven, hitting the road hard to simulate rough transit. After the shakedown, the unit is parked. The walls come down and the tenting goes up. Every piece of gear is put in place and tested to make sure that when this mobile military shelter is deployed, it will do what it's supposed to do, where it really counts: in the combat zone.